If you like this video, don't forget to smash the like button. Subscribe and stay informed. Addicted to Macintosh. Hi, I will show you how to find recipes for similar dishes from a photo in iOS 17. To find recipes for similar dishes from a photo in iOS 17, here is how to do. First, go to Photos and find the picture of the food you want to find the recipe from. Next, at the bottom right, tap on the second icon that shows a fork and a knife. Now, you will see several recipes that look like the picture. Choose the one that is close to what you had on the picture, and you will get the recipe. It's quite fun, isn't it? It's that simple. Hope you enjoyed this video. Have a nice day. Subscribe and stay informed. Addicted to Macintosh.